Okay, so now I'll be taking up a question from a recent Code Forces round. It was a Div 3 contest. I'll take up the first question of the contest. So the problem statement goes as follows. So Polycarp has an array of three positive integers. He forms all the possible subsequences of the array. So, and then he writes the sum of all the elements in each subsequence in an increasing order. So if he has 1, 4, 3, he will form all the subsequences. That is 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, and so on. All the non-empty subsequences he will form, and then he will find the sum of all the terms of the subsequence and write it in increasing order. So in the question, we are given this sequence, that is the sum of the elements of the subsequences, and we need to find the three digits or the three integers, three positive integers with which we can form this array. Okay, so let the three numbers be a, b and c in non-decreasing order. Okay, so the subsequences, empty subsequences will be a, b, c, a plus b, a plus c, b plus c, a plus b plus c. Okay, so these are all the possible subsequences. Since a is the smallest element, okay, among these three numbers, so and since the subsequence is written in increasing order or ascending order, so the first term of the subsequence of this subsequence, okay, so the first term of this subsequence will always give us the first term of first of the three integers. So this will be a. The second term will always give b. This is because b is greater than a, greater than equals to a, and b is less than all the other terms. B is less than all the other terms, so the second term will surely be b. And the third term we can find by subtracting a and b from the last term. The last term will always be a plus b plus c. Okay, so we can find c with the help of this. This is equals to c. Okay, so this was a very simple problem. Now I'll code it for you. So we are given t-test cases, and we can form an array of 7 integers. Since for a 3 for 3 integers, the number of subsequences, empty subsequences, is 7. We'll see out a of 0, a of 1, and a of 6 minus a of 0 minus a of 1. Okay, so we'll try to submit it. Okay, so the code is getting accepted.